This video will be a tutorial on how to get this 3 vertical apps working on the Z Fold 8 Ultra, or any actual fold besides the Z Fold 8. Because this is something that I was noticing. I was about to pack the Z Fold 8 to send it back to AT&T since I couldn't get used to this form factor. I know I'm in the minority. A lot of people love this form factor, but I just couldn't get used to it. So I got the Z Fold 8 Ultra again, which I've been having the Z Fold since the first one, and this is the one that I'm used to. But I was noticing that only the Z Fold 8 allows you to have 3 vertical apps at the same time, and they're all functionable, no lagging. Everything works perfectly. So this is a deal breaker for me. So if I was not able to do this on the Z Fold 8, I was going to actually keep this one, but I was able to. So natively, as you know, this one has the apps this way, which is not ideal. So we have it this way, the large app, and then we have 2 smaller ones, which is fine, but I really like this version. So I did a tutorial right now. I did a screen recording of both phones. I'm going to show you this one working on real time, and then how I actually did it on the Z Fold 8 Ultra. And you can do it on the Z Fold 6, 5, 4, any Z Fold that you have. You're able to do it 3 vertical apps at the same time with this special app that you can download. And I'll show you the tutorial right now. I hope this video helps someone. I'll upload it to Reddit, and I'll upload it to YouTube as well. Thank you.
The son of the richest man once accidentally...
Concha! Send questions, guys.
Everyone's been doing the open the door into another word trend. I want to see if I could actually be the character on the other side. This is Clink AI. I fed it one photo of myself, and it built a full digital
San Bernardino to Huntington Beach.
The app to download is called Popup Factory 2, and I think you can find it in the App Store. So you just open it up, and I'll show you right now how to set it up. Alright, so go ahead and open the Popup Factory 2, press and hold it, open up the app, and then you're going to edit. There's a little commercial that you can skip if you buy the app, I believe so, but if not, just go ahead and wait for the 30 seconds. Go ahead and edit and search for the apps you're going to use. Personally, I'm going to put the same apps that I had on the Z Fold 8, which were my maps. And we're going to set position, and then you're going to drag and set it. You're going to calculate where you want it. Go ahead and check mark it, and then next app. Search for the next app. I'm going to search for TikTok. Same thing. I'm going to drag it right next to it. These are, by the way, pop-up windows. They're not the same as the native ones from the Z Fold 8, but at least they're usable, and they have worked fine for me. Press check mark to go ahead and add it, and then add another app. And I did Instagram. Same thing. Set the position. And as you see, they're pretty much the same. I know you're missing a little bit of screen on the Z Fold 8 Ultra, but at least they do work. And then go ahead and save it. Once it's saved, you're going to have it actually, I have the first one that I did, and I have the second one that we just did right now. And I'm going to open up the app again, make sure the launcher is on, that way it can pop up that way.
Only in San Bernardino will you have a gun shop, a smoke shop, and a sex shop in the same motherfucking parking lot. Only in San Bernardino will you have a gun shop, a smoke shop, and a sex shop in the same motherfucking parking lot.
So no lag and everything works seamless. The only difference is it's that there are pop-up.
Feels like if you record.
I'm going to show you right now how to shortcut this to make sure it's saved, and you can actually just press a button so you can open up the
If you're looking for
have chosen. Okay, so I'm going to open that, and I'm going to create shortcut, add to home screen, and it adds it in that little extra folder thing right there, so I put it in my home screen, but you don't have to do that. I like to keep my buttons handy, otherwise I'll lose them. So yeah, I open up either from the main app and I create the shortcut, or edit another, more commercials, sorry about that. So I'm going to do 3 other apps that are not the same ones. That way you can see that you can do it with any app. And you can resize them as however you want. I was just trying to show you that it can be done exactly as the Z Fold 8. But you can actually have smaller windows. If you want to have like 2 large windows and 2 smaller windows, you can have I think you can add up to 5 windows at the same time. So this is going to have my weather and my ChatGPT and my Gemini at the same time. And save, and then create shortcut, add to this home screen, and it added actually inside that folder. And then there's another one that has the PF2 little icon next to it, and that's the shortcut for these 3 windows. So as you see, there is a brand new phone, so I'm actually setting up everything for the first time. That way it looks this way, but once you have it set up, you can actually have all your shortcuts either on the side panels, or you can have it on your home screen, or however you want to set it up. I really hope this was helpful for someone, and go Z Fold 8 Ultra.